You like it?
It's not really better, it's just smaller, I think.
Hey, can I ride? It's a lot more lighter. Really
Better than what?
heavy.
It's awesome. Look how it turns and stuff.
I know, it's better than the big yellow one, I
Can
think.
I take it down to the park? I love fun zones.
Yeah, guess it.
I don't know how to brake. Is there brakes? You should do a backflip on it.
It's just like,
That's so forward.
That's the folding.
Awesome.
Is there no brakes on that thing?
No brakes.
a shoe is
Yeah,
the
there is.
brake.
There's a bunch of
Oh,
brakes.
great. Yeah.
Watch.
Thanks for the toy that makes my kid go through brakes. That's not going to be good. That's stupid.
Can I take it down to the park?
Why would they make something it doesn't have brakes?
I didn't make it.
I'm gonna go to the park. Can I go to the park? Oh! Can I ride that? Oh yeah. I'll let you ride mine. But I wanna, dude, look. Because it has brakes. Goes all the way around.
We'll do something around here a little bit. Here.
I didn't break it.
Whoa!
I bet I could do a bunny hop.
That's like way better than like a regular scooter.
I made a bubble. It goes. Dude, I already know how to do one trick. Skills. Thank you, thank you. Wheelie.
Hey Nick, show your dad the let me take a picture of your shorts and shirt, okay?